Hey guys, what is going on? It's been a while. This is gonna be another short video as always, and this is on the Sigma 50mm lens. It could be on any 50mm really, but that's just the one I use. So lately I've been using this lens over my 24-70 on things such as weddings and creative shoots. And it's really for three main reasons. One, I find it way sharper. Two, if I need a shallower depth of field, I have it. And three, it's lighter. I mean, I don't really care about how heavy my setup is, but when you do shoot a 12-hour wedding, it does make a difference. So if there's something that bugs you, then it is a good benefit. Now, I'm going to post a video that I shot last week. It was just a quick 2-hour creative shoot with a couple of photographers and myself. And I just want to show you that I shot all this on the 50 and that it's really all you need. So if you're looking for a new lens, maybe this is it, maybe it isn't. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video and comment in the comment section down below what your favorite lens is, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.